Okay, I welcome you to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, we are going to look at creating sheet for the CA records. For the CA records, you see, we are doing this for GHS 1, 2, and 3. And so when we say we are going to use the subject, it means you are going to create each class 9 subject, and so we will be creating a lot of sheet at the tabs here. I get it. We want to avoid that, and so what we are going to do is that we are going to create one sheet which will contain all the subjects for GHS 1, GHS 2, GHS 3, and so we only have GHS 1 CA sheet, GHS 2 CA sheet, and GHS 3 CA sheet at the tabs. I get it. And how are we going to do it? So we are going to create the CA sheets. So we just want to avoid these ones, you see, so that we won't create numerous of this, but we are just creating only 3. One for GHS 1, one for GHS 2, one for GHS 3. And if you are in the primary, BS1, BS2, BS3, and the rest. So let's create our new sheet. And let's name this new sheet. Let's name this. Where is the sheet? Let's bring it here. Okay, let's name this new sheet as GHS1 underscore CA records. I get it. CA records. Now let's come here. You see what I've done here? I can't be it will be very tedious for you to type 9 subjects for all these cells, and so just create a sample like this. Just do what I've done. Sample, 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 sample up to the remarks, and just copy them. You get it? Copy this and come to the CA records and paste it at the first cell like this. Then go to paste and go to keep source column width. Now what we are going to do is that we are going to replace the word sample in this sample test 1 sample group work with the subject's name. So you come to find and replace. Okay, so we are going to replace the first sample with English. So we are starting with English. So after you've selected English, or you've written English, the English should replace sample in all of this. So you click replace all. So you see it has replaced the sample. Now you come to this, click on Control V, you paste the next one. Keep source formatting. Now we are going to continue. We are going to replace the sample with the next subject, which is mass. See how easy it is. So we replace it with mass. You get it? Good. Now we come to the next one. Control paste. Keep source formatting. Then we are going to replace the sample here with the next subject, which is science. Replace all. Then it does the work for us. Very simple. We paste. Keep source formatting. We replace this sample with social. Replace all. Then it will replace for us. So very, very simple, so that it will save us from doing this kind of typing. The next one will be, let's say, ICT. Replace all. Then we are good to go. Then we come to Control V. Keep source formatting. The next subject will be RME. Replace all. We are good to go. Control paste. Then Control V. Then BDT. Replace all. So come to Control V. Keep source formatting. After BDT, what subject do we have again? After BDT, we go to Ghanaian language. Replace all. So simple. Then Control V. Keep source column width. Then the last subject, French. Replace all. Then we close it. I getting it. So that is that. So we have French, Ghana language, BDT, ICT, RME, social, science, maths, English. Let me check if all the subject. English, maths, science, social, ICT, BDT, RME, Ghana language, French. So we have all the subject. Okay. We have all the subject. So that is that. So now we want to make it in a table form. So we select the first cell, come to format as table, then we find